Baking powder. More like cocaine. To go with our barbecue shredded chicken, I decided to make some simple cornbread this time. The total cost of all of this was nothing because these were all ingredients that I already had in my fridge and in the pantry and wherever. So let's go ahead and start mixing. Why not? Flour. You're not actually supposed to eat the raw flour, as I found out. What up, demons? It's me, your boy. Let's get our mix started. Now we are ready. Well, it was a bit extra thick, so I needed a bit of help spreading it. Now we bake it for about 20 minutes. So, we will see how we did. Oh my God, it's burnt. I'm just kidding. It looks like that because I used the dark brown cane sugar and unbleached flour, so that's why it's brown instead of yellow. But I assure you, it'll taste just as good, if not better, because unbleached flour is better. Don't touch me. Okay, so first of all, definitely do not use cooking oil. Use butter, because butter tastes good. Cooking oil does not taste good, so I definitely don't want to do that again. Other than that, this one was a little bit dry, so maybe it needs another egg to kind of help with holding everything together. I don't know. I think it worked out okay, but maybe, like, I don't know, add more things in. I guess that's what I get for choosing a plain cornbread recipe. But it wasn't bad though, besides the oil.